Hey y'all, it's Chelsea. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. So I decided to choose a random Shadowsense trio, and the one that I landed on was Arabian Nights. These colors might look a little off the wall, but as you can see, they work really well together, and I love how this turned out. So stay tuned to see how I created this look and let me know what you think. First, I'll be taking the Shadowsense color Amethyst and a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to get a little bit off of my wand and start smoothing that out in the outer corner of my lid and kind of all up into my crease. And the key with Shadowsense is a little goes a long way, so just start with a little bit less than you think you need and just kind of build up until you are satisfied with the color concentration that you want. And then I'm going to just take a little bit of that excess and bring it under my lower lash line as well. After I've smoothed out that first eye, I'll go ahead and repeat the same steps on the second eye until I'm satisfied with the way it looks. And in case you didn't know, all of our Shadowsense colors are cream to powder, so it goes on like a cream and dries like a powder. So that means you've got about 2 to 3 minutes to work with it and blend it out and smooth everything out how you want it. And then it will dry and it stays water resistant, crease proof, and lasts all day. I love this stuff. I can't tell you how much I'm obsessed with it. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Smoked Topaz and kind of a more concentrated shadow brush, and I'm going to concentrate this color on the outer corner of my lid and blend up a little bit into my crease, but just trying to keep that darker effect on the outer corner of my lid. And then just kind of drag that along my lash line and under my lower lash line. And the key to Shadowsense is just to blend. And speaking of blending, I'm just going to go ahead and take that same brush that I used with Amethyst just to smooth everything out a little bit. It's kind of a good trick to put the product on with one brush, get that color concentrated where you want it, and then take another brush that's either clean or has that transition shade like Amethyst here and blend and smooth everything out. That way you have that color concentration where you want it, you're just kind of smoothing out the edges. And again here, I'm just going to take an even bigger and even fluffier brush that is clean and just really smooth out those outer edges. I don't want any harsh lines with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be taking one of my absolute all-time favorite shades, which is Pink Opal Shimmer. This is just so perfect to brighten up your eyes. And I just use the wand to apply directly on my lid, and then I use my fingertips just to pack it down. And I'm going to be trying to keep this on the inner corner of my lid and underneath of my brow bone, just for a nice subtle highlight. With the shimmer shades, I actually like to apply it with the wand and pack it on with my fingertip as opposed to brushing it and blending it out with a brush, because those shimmers will actually stay more concentrated if you just kind of pat it on there as opposed to rubbing and blending with a brush. So now I'm going to be taking that and just extending it underneath of my lower lash line and to get that really nice highlight. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with a small angled brush and Smoked Topaz. This makes a really great liner. It's not a really harsh line, but it definitely gives you a really great subtle line. So with this small angled brush, I'm just kind of dragging that Smoked Topaz along my upper lash line. Again, trying to concentrate those darker colors on the outer corner of my lid. This is just going to tie everything together. So any excess that you have on that small angled brush, just go ahead and drag it underneath of your lower lash line. Again, trying to concentrate it on the outer corners of your eyes just to keep that heavier look on the outer corners. That's actually going to make your eyes look bigger and more awake. And now what I'm doing is just going in and touching up anything that I feel needs to be touched up, doing a little bit more blending and such. And now I think I'm pretty satisfied with the way this looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, and I'll be right back with the final look. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. So let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I will see you next time.